Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nasir Rahman and I'm your teacher at IT and Math Masters. Okay, let's start learning how to round the numbers to the nearest whole number, nearest tens, nearest hundreds, and nearest 1000. We have bunch of questions, but I will be solving two questions for you. For the first question, the value is 398.09 hundredths. So rounding to the nearest whole number means we have to round this number to nearest ones. So in this case, the value of ones is 8 and we will underline that value and we will circle the next number to check if the number is 5 or more than 5. Then we will add plus 1 to the underlined number. Otherwise, if the number is between 0 to 4, we will make no changes to the number. In this case, the number is 0. So it means there is no change in the number. So what we can do, we can simply write down the number 398 as a whole number, nearest whole number. Remember, when we are rounding the numbers to the nearest whole numbers, we need to remove the decimal place. Same is the case if we want to find out the nearest whole number of 462. The 2 will be underlined and 9 will be checked, or you can say 9 will be circled. In this case, the 9 is more than 5, so we will add or plus 1 to the number, so it will become 463. So on and so forth. For the rest of the numbers, you will be doing it by yourself. Okay, you can take these values as your example. When we say round to the nearest tens, we will do the same thing with the round to the nearest tens. Let's erase the previous working and underline the value of the tens. In this case, the value of tens is 9 and we will check the very next value to the right, which is 8. We know that if the number is more than 5, we add 1 to the number. But in this case, when we will add 1 to the 9, it will give 1 carry to the next number. So it will become 400. Same is the case if we are dealing with the 462. We will be underlining the 6 and 2 will be the next number. 2 is smaller than 5, so we will make no changes. But remember, all the numbers will be changed into 0. So the answer will be 462. Remember, the whole number tens, hundreds and thousands won't have any decimal place. Now coming to the nearest hundreds, the value of the 100 is 3 in this case. We will check the next value, which is 9. So we will add 1 to the 3. It will be 400 as our number. But in the next case, we have 462, where the value after the hundreds is 6. We will underline hundreds value and we will take the next digit, which is 6. So 6 is greater than 5. We will add 1 to the 4. So it will become 5 and rest of the numbers on the right will be 0. So it will become 500. For the nearest 1000, we do not have any value of 1000 here, so it will be 0. So after writing the 0 as the thousands value, we will take the next number, which is 3. 3 is already less than 5, so it will become 0. In the next case, the value will remain the same because there is no value of the thousands, and the next number to the 1000 is 4, which is less than 5, so we will make it 0. But in the next number, it is the value is 700, so it will become changed into 1000. I hope you will understand the question and complete this table easily.